Anong pampabata? Di, anong pampabata ka? Ba't nahiya ka? Pampabata, ano?
Bata?
Yeah.
I'll tell you later.
Hindi, anong pampabata? Paano ka ba Ilocano? Pampabata.
Hindi ko mag-Ilocano eh.
Well, okay.
Ay, ayatin ka. Nagimas
Pampabata raw ay kabatite, which is patola. Kalang kainin mo yun. Tapos,
Then, utong.
sasama mo ng utong,
It's,
ng sitaw. Okay?
okay.
And then also ng puki-puki, which is the eggplant thing.
Eggplant.
Para raw, hindi ka raw bayag-bayag. Mabagal. There you go. See?
Ilocano.
Okay, that's your lesson. I'm not Ilocano. I learned this.
Anong recipe ng mga Ilocano?
I learned
Anong
this.
recipe ng mga Kapampangan?
Ikaw, kapustahan ka Makanta mo.
No, no,
May
no.
kene. May kene.
Hindi ako Kapampangan. Yung husband ko.
Oh.
Malibog.
Uy, ina-advertise mo.
Yung husband ko.
Ina-advertise.
He may not be good in bed. He may not be good on the dance floor, but he's good in bed.
Oh! Nako, si Rene. Rene! Baka, uy!
He doesn't know.
Uy!
He doesn't like to dance.
Baka maraming mag-ano kay Rene ngayon yan.
Ano?
Nako, kay Rene, maraming humabol. Binorcast mo na, patay na yan. Ha?
Pwede.
Ang ganda naman, oh, dito ka, ang ganda, oh.
Ang ano ni Rene.
Ang ganda niyo pag nandyan, oh. Wow. Oh, naku, ang dami na nanood.
Mga dalaga ito kasama.
Oh, ang ganda, oh, oh. Oh, nasaan si bro? Nawawala. Ang ganda, oh. Oh, oh. Kailan mo dilim?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Puro celebration, okay? There you go.
Get a picture of all you guys. You beautiful women.
Oh, we did. Thank you so much.
Sure, are you
Thank
sure?
Thank you. Here's Chrissy. Thank you, Chrissy. Yeah, where's Grace? Say hi, Chrissy. Come on, do your dance. Look at Chrissy. Ganda. Thank you, Chrissy. Saan nag-ano si Grace for vlogging? Just doing her thing. Yeah, ayan, oh. See, oh, sexy, oh. Sexy with the wings, with the tail. Oh, si Beth. Sis, bakit hindi yata kita ngayon? Oh, sis, tinatago mo yata. Nakakatawa. Oh my God.
Yeah, maganda yung sa kanya.
Ako walang papakita eh. Bigyan niyo nga ako. Wala eh. Anim ang dumedi dito.
Hindi, pati si Arya
Yeah, tsaka yung apo ko sa pamangkin. Oh.
Talaga?
Yeah.
He did it.
Oo, yeah. Kaya si nanay ko 13. Or 12. Yung pamangkin niya, pinodede niya.
Kaya pala, puro hindi bumagsak. Puro hindi na bumagsak.
Eh, ginaganon ko na nga eh. Sinasampay ko na nga eh. Niloloko si nanay. Oh, sampay niyo na. Sampay niyo na. Para hindi nakabaksak, sampay niyo. How funny. Okay, Doc, we're here at Casa, ano nga? Ano mga pangalan? Casa Onda. Casa de Onda here in Costa Mesa. They have a Sevilla across. I don't know if you guys been here, but I haven't been to the Sevilla here. I've been to the Long Beach and Riverside. They have a flamenco dancer.
So, who's keeping you young? Who do you think?
Sino pa?
Sino pa ha?
Si Speech. Dami natin pinag-usap. Nasaan na si Grace?
She's so
Who-
quiet,
Grace.
no? Alam mo,
Tanungin mo si Grace.
virgin ears.
Who's keeping her young?
Oh, he's keeping you looking young. Yeah. Nobody. Nobody. Not
Are you
even the
sure?
rose? Not even the rose? I gotta give you that.
Nakakatawa kayo.
Keeps me young.
Oy, mga bata dyan, ha? We're ano kami dito, kaya don't be listening. Okay, Doc, here's the boys.
Me, myself, and I.
There you go. She's keeping herself young.
Enjoying life. Ito, bata.
To the fullest. Ito pinaka-baby sa lahat.
She's still young. Kailangan.
She's the baby. She's the baby. Diba? Hi everyone, good evening. Masyadong maikli. Thank you, Doc. Sanay sa maikli buhok. I'm gonna grow. Too short for me.
Ano, hanggang shoulder.
Yun guys, she cut it too short. Oh, hi, Nang. Hi, Annabelle. Sis, happy birthday. Wala pa akong time. Hi, bro. Sa ano, Sunday, don't forget, okay?
Sabi ko kay Rene,
If you can.
pag ako na unang
Okay?
namatay,
Ibang group naman.
you better not be married.
Alright, ayan na, okay. Ay, sis Annabelle, pasensya na ha. Nakaano na ako eh. Yung sa photographer for your birthday. Happy birthday. Na, may park commitment na. Next time, let me know ahead of time, okay? Because remember before I left, I told you to, ano yun? Yeah, they're going, yeah, Majay, so ano, 20, not yet, I haven't made the invitation yet. I'll do it tonight. Si Lida, and then Lisa, kung pwede siya, Lisa. Ready na yan. Hi. You're gonna enjoy it. Okay? Alright. Thank you for watching, everyone. Masyadong maikli. Hindi ako sanay sa buko maikli. Let it grow a little bit. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Oh, and here's the boys. Say hi. You guys are on live. Say hi to everyone. Hello, Colonel. Excuse me. Say hi to everyone. Okay, there's Renee. Okay. All right, we're gonna eat. Okay, bye for now. Where the night glows, different, good and ano, good on the only. Okay. Malayo. I can't ano. Ayan. Okay. Thank you for watching, Neng and Sis Annabelle. Happy birthday again. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.